Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger device to your laptop. First, make sure your Ledger device is fully charged and running the latest firmware. Next, download and install the official Ledger Live application on your computer. This software is essential for managing your crypto assets. Finally, locate the appropriate USB cable that came with your Ledger device to ensure a secure and reliable connection. Let's get started with the setup process. Once Ledger Live is installed, open the application and select your specific Ledger model from the list. The software will then guide you through the initial pairing process. Pay close attention to the instructions displayed on your computer screen. Simultaneously, you will need to confirm the connection directly on your Ledger device by pressing the buttons as prompted. This two-step verification ensures the security of your connection and protects your assets from unauthorized access. With your Ledger connected, you can now add accounts for various cryptocurrencies within Ledger Live. This allows you to manage your different digital assets from one convenient interface. You can securely send and receive funds, always verifying transaction details on your Ledger device itself. Remember to regularly update your Ledger's firmware through Ledger Live. These updates often include important security enhancements and new features, keeping your device protected against potential vulnerabilities. If you encounter connection issues, first try using a different USB port on your laptop or a different USB cable. Sometimes, a simple cable swap can resolve connectivity problems. Also, restarting both your laptop and your Ledger device can often clear up minor glitches. For more detailed troubleshooting, consult the Ledger support website. And hey, if you love reading and learning, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Happy managing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.